from Tolga, there's a small sign which is painted brown. Granite Gorge. Oh, I made it right. Is it right? Granite Gorge. Yeah, that's right.
16 kilometers.
16 kilometers from the main road.
Yeah.
So there we are. It's 16 kilometers from the main road to Granite Gorge. Farming in here behind this. I can't remember this. She oaks. It's a family of pine trees, right? There's a koala in here. I'd see. Oh, they got a camping ground in here. Granite Gorge Nature Park, camping unit, well, house. Okay. So this is where we're going, or is that national park?
I don't know. I think you can go on to another spot.
All visitors, please come to reception first. Okay. Beautiful. Poinciana. No, Poinciana. That's right. So they want us to go first to the reception, which must be, I don't know. Oh wow, they got some birds. I don't like seeing birds in a cage. They have chicken.
You swimming?
Huh? I'm swimming. So we go swim?
Yeah.
I need to change.
Yeah.
Okay. We go swimming then. Hi guys. We arrived here in... I can't remember the name.
So,
Granite something. Don't chase it. Halang pato oh. Nasa kuan kalo siyang ulo oh. Hello, wow, that's a beautiful looking duck. Even have a hat. Ligo ko na si Dudong, Ryan. That's a beautiful looking duck with a haircut.
Oh, you look at that. Yeah. Look at a pom. Look at pom head.
Hi, we're here. Oh look. Hello. Hello. Wow. Oh, wow, they have some collections in here. There's a snake. Ooh. And then a guinea pig, is it? Children, please do not handle these animals on this.
Hey, look, Sabi, look, the cockatoo.
Hi. Hi.
Did you see a snake?
Oh, wow. It's just here. Hi. It's so colorful.
It's $13 to go down. You can swim, and it's for adult, and it's
okay.
$3 for kids.
For kids.
The other price we were looking at, that's for camping, $16 a night.
Hi. That's a very colorful parrot.
It's a Rosella, I think.
Rosella?
Yeah.
That's so beautiful. This one is eating. Hey, what happened to you? That's so beautiful. Oh, hello. Guinea pig, hi. What's in here? It's a snake. Maybe it's a smaller snake. Ooh, it's like a iguana. Monitor. It's a ba? Yogi and Bobo. Asa siya? Oh, there's a wallaby. It's like a kangaroo. Tago siya bay.
Oh, lami. Kani, sige na. Sa bawan, sa payas, malay kulang.
Hoy, ikaw bo. Wag ugay patawa. Lahi mong giplano. Pay pasabaw. Asa na lin? Kanang pato ang manok.
Kaning manok, oh.
Kanang manok.
Cute lang kaayo siya.
Sa bawan din butangan og ko.
Kanan og kuan ba, tanglad.
Alam mi aron ba. Ala lain na to ningan sila ay giplanuhan mi ninyo. Nangari ra mo dili magplano kaunon mi. Hala gwapa kay siya oh. Hala bang naikalo ba oh.
Ay, oh.
That's a beautiful duck. It has a crown like a pom-pom. No? Yung haircut ba? Nasa haircut.
Siya pum-pum dapat. Liliway, yung kabalogan sa itawagan na. Kalunggo.
Salbahis ni Selene. Kalunggo. Hey, gwapa kayo siya. Huh? What is he saying? What is he saying? Hala, nisulod siya siyang kaugalingong cage. Oh, look. He went inside his own cage.
Kamang ka dali mag-pictures pala, B. Remember when I fed that can?
No. Huh? Come.
Are we allowed to touch them?
I don't think so. You don't touch them. You just watch, okay? Hello, look Mia.
Nila. They're so cute. Oh my god. Look at really fluffy. Can I touch them? I like the black one. Me too, I like
Hala, hala, hinitingog ang langgam.
Hello? How are you?
Sa libangan tika.
Hello? Hello? I said.
Ayo.
Hello?
Ayo.
What's your name? Lily, ang mga manok ni ka mga gwapa.
Gani, no?
Ako ito speaker. Hello?
Hoy, tsada diri mag-camping. Kaya daghag manok. Camping ta diri pohon. Hala, Lin. Bantay si mo likod, Lin.
Come on.
Chicken dance, chicken dance. Chicken dance. Oh, it's whistling. Birds bite. Oh, do not touch cage. That birds their
Can I
bite.
touch the chicken then? Can I touch chicken?
Hello. Hello, it says hello. This bird bite. Don't touch the bird, okay? Don't touch the... Oh my god. Hello.
Hello.
That's
you doing?
Yeah.
That's a Corella.
Oh, okay.
Corella. Hey, look, the
We go
piggies up there.
piggy. What they even got?
Give us a dance.
Where's the piggy? Hey. This is a wild pig. It's a wild pig. Don't touch it, Sabi, ha? It's a wild pig.
What's a lady?
Baboy.
Go and
Yeah.
scratch its head.
Hello. Why does it have a big head? I'm gonna go see horsey.
There's also a pony. Piggy, piggy.
Hello.
Oh, they have
100
pony.
meters, sharp left.
Oh my god, shut that pony!
Electric fence. Don't touch the fence because it's electric.
Sabi, you know what this is? That one with the really long
fence, Mia.
You know what that horse is? The one with the really long tail? Yeah. That's a Shetland pony. Nothing.
So if you feel that fence, the plastic on it.
Brian, you ba, don't be.
I just read electric fence.
Oh, you can read.
Hello.
Pretty.
Is those ponies?
Hold my hand.
Come on,
Why?
we go. Well, you know they have a
Picked your nose yesterday.
they have a black pato.
What?
Hey! Stop! Go! Go! Karon na. Brian ba,
I
uy?
get electrocuted too, you know.
Is it just the one that...
Huh? That's black.
You know they...
You might chase.
They're a special breed of duck.
Ah, okay.
I think they're called mascot
Mascot?
ducks.
Ah, okay. Oh, yeah. It says yeah. I don't think so. You might bite.
Just get ready to run, Mia.
It's get ready to run. The other one's sleeping.
Go away from me.
Maybe if you sit down.
No.
Put your hand down like you got food.
No, they're
Hold your
biting.
hand out like you got
No,
food.
Mia, don't. They're so beautiful. Look at them.
Yeah, they're sleeping. See?
Hey, mate, does this...
Oh, it's white. It's all white. It's all white.
Oh, you didn't know that? Here's the white one coming.
Hello.
What's going on? What's going on? You need help? Huh? Those humans giving you a hard time?
Get away from our mate.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Ew, they're drinking their own
yeah.
Look at the water. That's their own pee and poo.
No,
Yeah.
they swim in there.
Yeah, exactly.
Hasn't been
Can't
cleaned
touch
for
the
a while.
white one though.
I don't know if they're that friendly. Say, oh yeah. It says, oh yeah.
Can't touch it.
Mia.
Can't touch it.
Look how they walk. They're so cute.
How do they walk?
I'd be like that. Hi. We as people, ducks, people.
You wanna be a duck? Up we go.
I would have to hold this to you.
Hello.
Can I touch you?
He's saying, huh? I can't see you. The trouble.
They're so adorable. I know.
They're so cute. Look at this one, the white one. So I can't see where I'm going. Yeah.
What is this fat for?
Oh, careful with the male. They do attack.
This is a female.
Come on. The male can be very aggressive. They can attack you.
Some roosters aren't that fat. Roosters are very fat. You know? They're like, well, no, they're actually very thin.
Oh my gosh, look at the flower. To go back in there and actually camp in there for maybe even just a couple nights would be nice, and yeah, relax and enjoy being in there. And they have birds. They have you'd seen they have birds in there. They have different ducks and animals, and they have wallabies. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do next time. Is we're gonna go and camp in there, use the facilities and enjoy. No rush. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and hope you will watch our next vlog. I will try my best to make a vlog every second day. And thank you so much for watching, and hope please subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed to our channel, and give us a like. Stop singing.